Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 10. Grading policy.
I was wondering how you were going to calculate our final grades.
Grades are based on many things: homework, attendance, quizzes, midterm, and final.
What counts the most?
Actually, I look at all of it, and let's not forget class participation.
Do you grade on a curve or use percentages?
Homework, attendance, and quizzes are 60%. The midterm and final are worth 20% each.
What if we miss something?
I will allow one unexcused absence. After that, you need to contact me ahead of time.
Will you tell us if we are failing during the year?
You will be able to track your progress during the year.
What do you base our grades on?
All of your coursework is important, including everything from attendance and homework to all of your test results for the semester.
Does the final count the most?
All of it is important. Please just do your best at all times.
How do you total our scores?
The final and midterm are 20% each. Homework, attendance, and quizzes are the rest.
What if we are out sick?
Make sure you contact me, as I only allow one unexcused absence.
How can we know if we are doing okay during the year?
Your grade will not be a surprise. You will know what you need to work on.
How do you decide what grade we get?
I look at many things: attendance, quizzes, and tests.
What is the most important factor?
Obviously, I look for improvement as we go along, but I would like you to do your best from the beginning.
How can we keep track of our grades?
The final and midterm are 40% of your grade. Homework, attendance, and quizzes total 60%.
What if we can't get to school?
You can only miss one class without penalty.
If we have a major problem, will you let us know?
I will be letting you know during the year if you have a major problem. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.